Hi guys, it's Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Hello, hope you subscribe and stick around for more. In today's video, we are doing a teeth whitening review. Now that I no longer fake tan, I have noticed that my teeth suddenly look more yellowy than I want them to. Now don't get me wrong, they're not the most yellow teeth I've ever seen, but they're also not the whitest. And as somebody that drinks everything through a straw, I just could not get my head around why my teeth were just so yellow. So I have decided to go on a bit of a mission to find the perfect teeth whitening stuff without breaking the bank, because not all of us have a bank to break. Step in Dr. Dent. So this is a teeth whitening kit that I got from Amazon. This was only like £30, which I thought was a lot better than all the other ones that I'd been seeing. I mean, don't get me wrong, High Smile looks great and I see it advertised absolutely everywhere, so it must be doing something for people to be raving about it so much. But I read that Dr. Dent is also just as good as High Smile. So here I am testing it out. Originally, I wasn't going to do a review on this. I just bought it for myself because I just wanted whiter teeth. But after using it for a solid 9 days, I've actually noticed a huge difference. And I took photos just because I wanted to see it. And now we have evidence of what I started with and what I've ended up with. So if you guys would like to go on this Dr. Dent adventure with me, just continue to watch the video. Okay, so starting out with what you actually get in the box. So like I said, I didn't know I was going to do a video on this, so it's kind of not as it once was, so bear with. So actually inside the box, you end up with some instructions, you end up with like all the stuff that you need. Obviously, you can see we're missing the syringes because I've obviously used them, but this is what they actually look like. This one has got one last use in, which I'm going to do on camera for you guys, so you can actually see the process and how it works, and you can also see my final results, which is super exciting. So inside the box, you actually get your instructions, so let me read them to you so you also know what you would have to do if you got them. So step one is to brush your teeth. You don't have to do like a super thorough job. It just says gently clean your teeth to get rid of any like debris or anything that's already in your teeth. And then the second one is there's a little bit of plastic between the batteries and the LED light, so you just have to pull that out so that you can actually use the LED light to whiten your teeth. The next step is to attach the mouth guard. So I'm going to do that for you guys now so you can see what that actually looks like, and again I will show you when I actually use it later. So this is your little LED light. It's just one little button that you can push to go on like so, and then you can just push it and it's off again. This is just a little jelly bit that goes over your teeth so you can actually, you know, like whiten them and bite onto it. So it's like literally just goes straight. I don't know if you can actually see it. Let me try and like sits on top of that. It slides in. It's super easy. It's super bendy. It just fits super snuggly. It is literally as easy as that. And again, the light just goes on and it reflects throughout the whole thing. You then use your little teeth whitening gel stuff. You put it along the actual trays and then literally just place it into your mouth. So you get 3 uses out of each syringe, and you only need to use one section at a time because there is plenty for your entire mouth. So don't be afraid that you're going to run out or that you're going to need more. Unless you have a ginormous mouth with ginormous teeth, you're going to be okay. You then place that in your mouth and then you just press the little button, and then it is a 20-minute wait. So you actually have 10 minutes for each cycle. So the minute you press the button, you have to wait 10 minutes, then it will go off, then you press it again, you've got another 10 minutes, and then ba-bam. But Dr. Dent is super easy and I found it really easy to use, so there we go. You then use this once a day for 9 consecutive days. Each gel contains 3 uses. You get the LED light. It isn't waterproof and obviously comes with batteries. You can't charge it, so you do have to replace the batteries eventually. And then it says limit or avoid food that will stain your teeth. That is the same with any kind of teeth whitening though. So like it's just basically like if you have tea or coffee, just drink it through a straw. I do that anyway because I actually prefer it. I hate things that touch my teeth, and it's the same as like food. I would much rather cut it out with a knife and fork anyway and just like eat it. I don't know, I'm just weird. I hate biting into things. You then get a little note, so it says, hello, I want to personally thank you for choosing Dr. Dent. We're a very small family business based in the UK that creates mindfully formulated teeth whitening products that actually work. If your product does not live up to your expectations or you do have some problems using it, please contact me directly. And then it's at the actual email, and it says kind regards, I want to say Marilena, but I am probably butchering that and I'm so sorry. You also get like a little teeth whitening spectrum thing, so you can actually see where you are on the spectrum to see where you're going to be. I mean, ideally, I personally want to be number 1, but I don't feel like I'm ever going to really achieve that unless I get them done professionally. However, you will see in these photos, I probably went from a 4 and a 3 down to like a 2 or a 1. So I'm going to go into my bathroom now, and then I will show you exactly how I use the product so you can actually see how it works. And then I can also show you my final results after using this for 9 consecutive days. First thing I'm going to do is brush my teeth. Like I said, I have already brushed my teeth, but I'm just using a regular like brush rather than my electric toothbrush, just because it's a bit more gentle. For the sake of the video, I'm going to take a picture just so you can see up close, because my camera is definitely not going to pick up how white these teeth things are. So that's the before, so I'll just insert that into the video now, and then I'm going to actually do the whole process so you guys can see what it's like and if it actually makes a difference. This is my last round of whitening. So I found, because this tooth, my canine tooth on this side is like really high up, I found that I had to put a little bit of the actual teeth whitening product straight onto my tooth, and then the rest I could actually just put in the tray. So I'm going to do that now, like this. Done. And now, once I've placed the tray in my mouth, I then press the button which starts the 10-minute timer and repeat that twice to complete the 20 minutes. And that is it. So let me show you my final teeth whitening results. I feel like they look really white. Like, I'm not gonna lie about it. They look so much lighter than what they were to begin with. I'm gonna take another picture. Honestly, putting them side by side, there is not a massive difference, but looking at when we started on day 1 to now, there is a huge difference. I thought my teeth were like an off-white, but now I'm like, whoa, they are like off. And also I feel like over a long period of time of using Dr. Dent, I feel like they're going to get whiter and whiter, but I'm definitely open to trying other teeth whitening products because I would like a really bright white smile. And my teeth are not the straightest, my teeth are not perfect by any means. I actually have extremely sensitive teeth and I have a cracked tooth at the back. If you have really sensitive teeth and you want to whiten your teeth, Dr. Dent honestly is amazing. I have experienced no sensitivity, my teeth don't hurt, everything is fine. Even when I'm applying it and it's literally sat on my cracked tooth, it is completely fine. So I'm just saying, if you want a product that is actually really good, isn't making your teeth more sensitive, but is also very affordable, Dr. Dent is the way to go, and I am 100% happy. I'm a happy customer. So there we go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what your thoughts are. Any teeth whitening products that you like to use, let me know, because I'm on the search, I'm on the lookout. And that's it. So love you, see you, bye.
Life right now is a movie. Yeah.